Welcome to toy-polloi.
Hello and welcome to another video from toy-polloi, and today we're going to have a quick unboxing video. As I recently posted a picture onto my Facebook page of some future projects that I wanted to work on, which are a couple more MEGO dolls, because people have been enjoying the MEGO restorations that I've been doing. And very kindly, Scott Greer from the US said that he had a few bits that he could donate to help with these restorations. So we organised a bit of a sort of part trade, part donation. I sent him some bits for his vintage Pallettoy Action Man that he was restoring, and he has sent me this box of bits for some future MEGO restorations. Now, I have a rough idea of a few bits that are in here, but he also said he included some other things. So let's get this box open and we'll see what stuff that he's sent to me for these future projects. So let's get started. I've got a knife here. We can just quickly cut along the tape and we'll get this box open. Now, as I say, this was a sort of parts trade, parts donation. He did offer to send a few bits to me, and I tried to help out as much as I can with other people's restorations. And when he said he was doing a Pallettoy Action Man, I've got a few bits lying around, so I've sorted out some bits that would help him fix up his vintage Action Man, which is a great toy to restore. So let's see what's in here. Wow, there's quite a lot of stuff. First up, there's what's this here? This looks like a Batman to me, which is something he did say he'd help, because obviously recently I did a Robin restoration, and a lot of people said, why didn't I do Batman? Well, the answer was, I don't have a Batman. So now there's a Batman with, what's he got? Well, bit of a missing arm, missing boots. He's in a bit of a tatty condition. Certainly looks like he can be restored. What's in this one here? Well, it's another Batman. A combination of Batman. That's always good. That means I can take parts from one or another and some other things I've got. And that guy, again, he's actually looking in slightly better condition. His outfit's a bit more rough, and obviously, actually, he's got a hand that's been damaged. So, again, combination of those two, we should be able to make something quite nice. And what have we got in here? It's all been very well packed. I like receiving packages like this that have been super well packed. We have Ponch from Chips. So one of the figures I had originally in my sort of picture was John from Chips. So here is Ponch. He's got these standard sort of grey head, so that needs sorting out. I can see one of his legs is broken, but the rest of him, that's quite a good starting point. Let's go for the next one here at the back, see what this one is. That is a early MEGO figure, I would say. Very early one. Not quite sure which guy that is. Got a very strange head, but certainly looks like he's useful for something. Nice, very nice. What's this one here? This one looks like a Planet of the Apes figure to me. So this is that's Dr. Zaius. That's great. I wanted to restore some Planet of the Apes figures, so that's a nice starting point as well. He looks in quite reasonable to condition, a little bit tatty on the clothes, but certainly a good starting point. Always nice to have the basis of a figure. What else have we got here? There's the lower foot for someone, that's useful. I need the feet for people. There's another figure here. Well, it's quite a good selection of stuff. Really nice, nice box of bits. He's had another early MEGO. I'm not quite sure which one this is. I might have to do some research on these guys. What does it say on the back? Does say MEGO. Maybe this is Action. What's his? Is it Big Jim or something like that? I don't know. I'll have to have a bit of a search around for those. Another useful figure. Oh right, and there's some cape material. So just include that for Batman. What else have we got? Oh, a few more bits and outfits. Another body with no head. Always useful to have that. And these are some Space 1999 outfits. I would imagine some of these are original and some of these are reproduction, but I'll have to ask about those. Nice bit of ink on that, very useful stuff though, as I do like these Space 1999 figures. What else have we got in here? Wow, a whole bag of boots and bits. This box just keeps on going. Let's, if I just move some of this stuff out of the way, move that over there a second, we can tip this bag out. A whole selection of boots and more outfits and bits and bobs. Wow, so this really is a big selection of pieces, very useful for my restoration. I recognise that head. That is Paul Murrow's head, and I think that is Superman, maybe, or is that Batman? but some very useful pieces. So a fantastic box of stuff. So here's everything that was in that box, and Scott actually sent a little note here which sort of tells me exactly what it was. So that is Action Jackson. So I was almost right, and he is the first MEGO. Not a figure I've ever had before, but certainly something I'd like to restore. And this head was also Superman, so I think I was correct in that. Superman or Batman I said, but definitely Superman. So real great selection of bits, and really absolutely massive thank you to Scott for sort of donating and trading with me with all these bits. These are some fantastic projects that I will get onto in the future. So I hope this unboxing has been of interest to you, and do keep checking back, because as you can tell there's going to be a lot of MEGO restorations in my future videos. And thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching toy-polloi. Subscribe for more great videos. You can also follow toy-polloi on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.